Hello everyone, this is Sundar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start our 30 days Python logic building course. So in this series, you will not just learn coding, you will learn how to think like a programmer. Here in part 1, we will understand the basic use of input and output. How to take input from the user, how to get the output. So in this part, we will learn about that thing. Let's start. For example, x is equal to, for input, we will use input function. Inside that, enter a string like enter your name. Okay. Now, if you print it, print the variable x. For to run your Python file, just write Python space and your file name .py and hit enter. So now enter your name. My name is Sundus. Hit enter. Now you will get the output. Okay. So this is how to get the input from the user and to get the output. Now here is one note. Okay, so here input function always return data in string format. It means it is of string data type by default. Okay, so if I want to check the type, okay, let me copy it. V and let me write the type function. Okay, so what I did here, I write type function and inside that put my variable. So here it's x. Then let me comment this code. Okay, now clear it. Enter your name. Okay, so see, it belongs to class string. All right, now part 2, I want to discuss about the common mistake that people generally do. So a is equal to, I'm taking input from the user. For that I'm using input function. Now here enter first number. Okay, now let me copy it. V second number. Then I need to print what? A plus B. Let me come in the previous code, so otherwise this code will also execute. Okay, let me clear it. Okay, it is asking me first number, so let me mention. Okay, I'm entering 5 here. Now enter 6. So I got 56 instead of 11. Although I'm performing addition operation here, but still I got 56, not 11. Why? Because input function is by default belongs to string class. So I discussed in the above note this thing. All right. So this is the common mistake people generally do. So let me tell you the correct way. Correct way of doing it. So let me take a is equal to int input. Okay, so let me copy this. So I'm doing what I'm doing here. Let me show you once again. I took the same variable a. Now I need to convert my string data type to integer data type. Now I need to convert this string into integer. So whatever input I will get, from the user, it will get converted from string to integer. For that, I am using in function here, and let me paste this input and then same for b. Okay, I'm taking in function. Inside that, I paste in this one, and let me change this second number. Okay, now let me again print it. All right, let me comment the previous code. Now clear it and run it. My first number is 5, second is 6. So this time I got 11. Okay, not 56. So this is how you can perform addition operation with the help of int function. All right. Now let me discuss the part 4. And here we will start how to build logic. Now in part 4 we will start learning how to build our logic to solve any question. All right. So let me start with the question. Question number, okay. So let me take, I want to take a number from user and print its double. So what will be the logic? Now let me write the logic here. Step 1, take input. In step 2, convert into integer, and step 3, multiply by 2. All right. Now let's write the code according to the step one by one. I took the first step. Now let me write a code for it. I want to take input from user. So I will use input function for that. Okay. So here I will write enter a number. Okay. Now the second one is copy, convert into integer. Now I need to convert this thing into integer. So whatever input I will get from the user, it will convert it from string to integer. For that, what we will do here, we will use in function. All right, and we'll paste the same string input function, copy, inside the in function. Now it will convert it into int. Then in step 3, what we will do here, print x asterisk 2. So here for multiplication, we need to use asterisk. Okay, so I need to multiply the user input into 2. All right, now let me come in the first code, as I need to show you how to take input from the user, because I have converted the input into the integer. So I have commented the first line of code. Now let me run my code. Okay, previous code. Now I have entered 5. I got 10 as an output. Okay. So I had some practice question. So let me take the first question. Take a number and print its square. Then my question number 2 is take two numbers and print their sum. Then take a name and print hello Python. Okay. So first I would solve this question according to the logic that we have discussed. All right. If you want the solution of this question, it will be in the next video. And also if you want these code and notes, so you will get it into the description box. So you, from there you can access it. If you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.